Mariel, we talk about the roller coaster here in North Texas.
Yeah.
I'm still over here going through it with my allergies. It was cold, then it was really hot over the weekend. It kind of feels nice.
Yeah.
And then you're talking about even more of
Right. We're going to do this before we do this again.
Okay.
Yeah, we're talking near record heat again. So the next couple of days, we'll see those temperatures climb. And then this weekend, temperatures in the 60s on Saturday. Can you hear it in my voice?
Yes. How are we supposed to breathe in this air? What are we going to wear?
I know, because the pollen is all over the place too. And I've got an update for you on that front. So there's a lot to get to. Here's what you really need to know. We're looking at near record heat this week. A cold front arrives Friday. It's going to do a number to our winds. And anytime our winds kick up this time of the year, it is not a good situation for our pollen counts. And then we're looking at a cooler start to the week. So let's go ahead and start with what it looks like out there right now. We're looking at a blue sky. This morning we started out with some cloud cover. As the day goes on, you'll see less of the cloud cover and more sun. Temperature of 70 degrees at DFW right now. Our pollen count has not changed from yesterday. Oak, hackberry, and maple all at a high count. If you spend time outside, definitely make sure you're washing your face, washing your hands, changing your clothes as you come inside. That's going to help out, because look at the situation here the next several days. High pollen count expected at least through Saturday, and it's because of this, the wind. It's going to be out of the south 15-30 miles per hour on Thursday, gusting up to 25 miles per hour on Friday, and even on Saturday. Anytime the winds kick up, it shakes up the trees. It's tree pollen season, and then that gets transported all into our air all across North Texas. So just a heads up. 70 degrees right now at DFW. Again, wind out of the southeast, not a cloud in the sky from our downtown Dallas camera. Other than that one, there's a little one there. Our daytime planner today shows the temperature climbing. We make it to about 85 degrees today. That happens around 4 this afternoon. So yesterday, we actually made it to 80 degrees. Today, 5 degrees warmer. Tomorrow, it warms up even more, and that number keeps going up. But for today specifically, we're at 84 in Denton, 84 in Fort Worth, 85 for Dallas and in McKinney. This is well above the normal of 71. Our western counties are climbing a little bit more. We're making it to the mid to upper 80s, and it's because the air there will be drier. Drier air warms up faster. Drier air also tends to, well, dry out the vegetation. And unfortunately, this week, we're looking at an elevated fire danger anywhere from Archer City, Graham, Breckenridge, Eastland, towards Abilene. So a big heads up there. Okay. Let's talk about the roller coaster and why it's happening. We've got a big heat dome, mainly over the desert southwest. This heat dome is expanding and then shifting over North Texas. When this happens, it cranks up the temperatures. We are looking at record heat in areas like Arizona, areas in Nevada. That a piece of that heat dome is going to be moving over us, which is why our temperatures are climbing. We're at 85 today. We'll be at 88 tomorrow, 90 degrees Thursday, which would be 1 degree shy of the record high temperature. We're trending 15, 18 degrees warmer than the normal. A front then arrives on Friday. It's going to help drop our temperature. This high of 83 happens around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. The front arrives. Temperatures will drop behind the front. By Saturday morning, we'll be in the 50s. The high on Saturday, only 68. But that cool down, short-lived, because we'll be at 83 degrees then on Sunday. We're looking completely rain-free until next Wednesday. Just an early glimpse here. Wednesday morning, we could see a little dose of rain in the morning, but the better opportunity looks to hold off until Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So we're looking at that potential. Until then, we are looking rain-free across North Texas. So I know I just told you a lot of things. Here's a look at the 14-day. Just keep in mind, it's going to be hot by the time Thursday comes around. We're going to have high levels of pollen, a little cooler on Saturday, warmer next week, Morgan.
I don't know how to feel. I don't know, Mariel, thank you. Well, let me tell you, I am excited now because it's time for one